In this video, we're going to learn how to bookmark the app stream. So to get access, this document here will walk us through it, but this will save us a step if we just go to the AWS login screen, right, and then hit the star button here. Mine's already favorited, right? So if you look across this bar here, I have the AWS in here. So when you click this star, it'll populate into this world. And what you can do is you can then move, if you want that Symbaloo there, if you want that guy there, I got two Symbaloos up there now. If you want Arduino there, you can move those around, right? But I would make sure that you have an AWS, because more than likely you'll be logging on through AWS to get onto SOLIDWORKS every day.